Hi, my name is Gavin Kincaid, and I'm a freshman here at the University of Oklahoma. I want you to take a look around you. How are your peers going to pay for college, and how are they going to make things meet? Do they have enough money to fund themselves, or are they tight on money, or do they wish they had more? And do they have the patience to gain more money? And have you ever heard about the stock market or wanted to learn anything about it? Well, I want to talk to you about the topic of cryptocurrency. Today, I'll be describing to you the basic functions of cryptocurrency and how to make a profit to where you can use it as a second source of income or possibly even your main source of income. I want to let you know I have not been in cryptocurrency very long. I've actually been investing since February. However, my first investment turned out to make over $1,000 in wealth through an initial investment of $140. I think I have the basic advice to be able to make you be able to get the ball rolling. However, there are risks involved, but I do believe I can help curb the chances of making those mistakes. We must realize that cryptocurrency is in its infant stages. However, with the things that are unknown about the nature of cryptocurrency, you could possibly make some strategies around it and take advantage of the low prices that they are currently at right now. With that, you have the ability to become a millionaire. And if you have the patience, you could even get higher. According to Paulina Likos, you should not buy at inopportune times. You should only invest when it's down low or when it's just starting to go up. Paulina suggests that you should know when to buy and know when to sell, and always follow the market trends and gain information. The ways that you can do this is through communities like r/crypto or those specific websites for those cryptocurrencies. It should also be noted that the cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, which means that its value is not determined and its values change from up to down very quickly. As I would recommend, be very careful when you sell because of a major dip in price, because even if it's crashing or reaching an all-time high, that does not mean that everyone's willing to sell. People will still hold on, and that price will still increase or decrease and shoot right back up. Even if you panic sell or sell at the wrong time during the initial raise in price, it's not the end of the world. With the volatile nature of crypto, the initial raise in price will most likely go back down to at the most time that you bought your crypto or sold it. So your initial loss is not that high or terribly significant. However, even if you bought and sold at a higher price, you still made a profit off of it, so it really doesn't matter. Again, going back to the volatility of going lower, you can still rebuy your coins and make a small profit. This is what pumping and dumping is, and this is what day traders usually do. One thing I do want to note is that selling at the wrong time will put you in a pretty disappointing situation emotionally. You could be pretty mad and saying things like, "Oh, I'm an idiot. I don't know what I'm doing. I could have made more." But you should never allow emotions to get in the way of your trading. But major dips happen. One mistake of many traders is becoming emotional regarding the market. An article by Michelle Fox explained how you should never let your emotions dictate your financial decisions. And Dr. Brad, a financial psychologist, add on by saying that vacillation between excitement and panic, that is what hurts people financially. Another thing that Fox notes for all to take a deep breath, consult with experts, because you have plenty of people that you can talk to in the financial world, like accountants, stock moguls. You have plenty of people to talk to, and other even traders. And remember the past, because dips have always happened before. Think about the recession, the Great Depression, and all major dips in the market. And I want you to ask yourself, why should I invest in crypto if it believes so similar to stocks? As mentioned, it can make you a millionaire, but so can stocks. However, the difference that can be observed is its price. The highest stock that you can publicly trade is Berkshire Hathaway, which is around $425,000 per share. The second highest is a Swiss company that is very hard to pronounce, but it's the people that make Lindt chocolate at $89,000. And with the third being Seaboard Cooperation, which is a Asian company that works in the Asian market, and it's at $3,000 and roughly $700 in the market. And the reason it's mentioned is that in the prices, it took decades to produce. It took years, 20 plus years for Berkshire Hathaway from the 80s to be able to get to the price that it's at now. For Bitcoin, it took only 4 years for it to go from $1,000 to $51,000, and its highest price was above 60 at one point. And it took a little more than Ethereum, which is the second highest priced coin in the crypto market, to reach $4,000 in a year. That is absolutely mind-blowing. And with this skyrocket in price, it's a very perfect time to buy crypto because you have many other alternative cryptos besides Bitcoin and Ethereum and other high price cryptos from reaching to high prices like those beforehand. And another addition from stocks is that crypto can be traded as a currency. That's why it's called cryptocurrency. You can purchase things with these coins, and with this added price, if it gains, you have to spend less of a coin from doing this. And a funny thing, the first purchase ever by crypto was through Bitcoin, and it was to buy a pizza. It was 25 Bitcoins. That guy could have kept that money and made over $1 million. And because of this, I think the capability of crypto has the ability to get us rich, and it's a perfect opportunity. Thank you.